Good morning, kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our morning message for today. Today is Tuesday. Are you ready to read with me? All right, here we go. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Tuesday, December. We are no longer in November. We're in December now, the very last month of the year, December 1st, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. All right, we're going to put some sounds together to make some words. Are you ready? We're going to start with that purple right here. All right, we're going to push each one of those up. T, in, tin, tin. It's a metal. All right, let's take a look at the next one. S, it, sit, sit. Like you're going to sit on a chair. Wonderful. All right, let's do our last one. T, im, Tim, Tim. It's a name of a friend. Tim, Tim. Wonderful. All right, now you have to help me decide if these two words rhyme. I'm going to say a set of words twice, and if they rhyme, they sound the same in the middle and the end. All right, here's our first one. Slap, cap. Slap, cap. They rhyme. They sound the same in the middle and the end. They both have app. App. Wonderful. Actually, I'm going to highlight that so you guys can see that really well. Okay? They both have app. App. Do you see that? All right. Here's our next group. Mug. Bug. Mug. Bug. Do those two words sound the same in the middle and the end? They do. They both have ug. Mug, bug. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's take a look at our last two. Knot, knit. Knot, knit. Do they sound the same in the middle and the end? Ought, it. Those need a big old X. Let's put an X on there. There we go. Wonderful. All right, now we're going to take a look. We have two fish bowls here, and we want to know which one has fewer, which one has less. Remember, less and fewer are the same. So what do we need to do first? You are right. We need to count the fish. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fish do we have in this bowl? 5. So I'm going to make a 5. Then I'm going to count in this fish bowl. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fish in this fish bowl? 7. We counted 7. All right. Now take a look at both of these numbers. Which one is a smaller amount? Which one is fewer? 5 is. And you can almost tell that by looking at the fish bowls. You can see that there isn't as many fish in this bowl as this one. Good job, boys and girls. Love, Mrs. Cool, and Miss Pam. All right, let's take a look. Our letter of the week is our letter I, and we'll be working on that during our guided reading time during our Zooms. And we are counting to, I think we decided to 50, right? All right, I'm going to grab my arrow. Help me count, boys and girls. Remember, this is a skill we have to practice every day. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job, friends. All right, let's count down. We're going to start. Oops, I moved that yesterday too, didn't I? All right, start at 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Boys and girls, listening to me will really help you learn these, but even more so if you're saying them with me, okay? So make sure that you're practicing when we're practicing during this time, okay? All right, now we get to make an A, B, C pattern, okay? I think today I'm gonna do Santa Claus, candy cane, present. Okay, so that's my pattern, Santa Claus, candy cane, present. We do it again, Santa Claus, candy cane, present. Now again, Santa Claus, candy cane, present. That is my A, B, C pattern. All right, and let's take a look at our kindergarten words or sight words that we've been practicing. Say them with me. Brown, black, orange, red, gray, am, the, blue, at, can, go, is, like, see, me. Great job, friends. All right, let's take a look at our seesaw activities that'll be available to you at a little after 8, I believe. So the first one is your snowflake counting. And if you look, these numbers are not in order, okay? They're all messed up. So you need to put them in order. So you're going to have to move them. The first number over here has to be what? Number 1. So put your number 1 there, and then you keep continuing. What's after number 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you keep going all the way to 20. Once you finish, I want you to record yourself counting each of the numbers, so that'll be up to 20, and then making sure that you show or send it to me so I get to see your great work and hear your wonderful counting. And then we're working on that black. So that's the new color word. So you're going to trace it, color the crayon, and put it in order, okay? So make sure you do all that correctly and then send it to me so I can see your great work. Wonderful. And then as far as your videos, excuse me. All right, we have math lesson 4.2. We have a handwriting. In your handwriting book, Q and G, you're going to do. Make sure, again, you guys, you don't do these things until after you watch the video. And then we have the See and Me practice pages. That's a green sheet. That's in your packet. And then the See and Me songs that I'll post. Okay? So all those will be on today's seesaw. We also Zoom again today. And at those regular times that you Zoomed yesterday, this is very important that you are ready to learn as soon as your Zoom starts. Please try to be on time, because if you're late, you miss out on a lot of learning. So again, make sure you're on time. Make sure if you use the bathroom and you've eaten before the Zoom meeting so that you are ready to go. All right, we're working on our guided reading. We're going to get to do some writing. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful day.